So, do you have a leak or is it condensation? Straight away, you can see how saturated that felt is. Let's have a closer look. Wow. Right, so there you go. Let's have a look. It's nice and well insulated. But my guess is there's no ventilation. Look at some of them drips there. Look at that. Now let's see how much it's creating. Oh. Let's stick that there. See that? So basically, when you think you've got a leak, you probably haven't. It could actually be condensation collecting like that, and it could actually collect for a couple of days like a little reservoir, and then as soon as it hits a point, boom, comes straight down to your plaster or whatever. In fact, I'm going to have to get a cloth and mop that up, I think. So that's what this loft needs. Ventilation. It's dripping off everything. Because when I actually shine this light round, I mean, that's the one I was looking at just, but I started having a look. Oh, there's one. That's massive. And then you start looking around, and there's actually loads of them. They're everywhere.